everybody. I hope that you are having an awesome day. I'm going to be discussing a product called Barley. This is the name of it. I'm also going to put like the video and stuff like that. It just shows the website and everything, a little bit description I'm going to be talking about. And this product is about, like, for example, if you're dealing with any type of sickness, if you're dealing with cancer or whatever that's going on in your body, this product will literally help your soul. I'm dealing with a lot of like lung situation. I don't know if you guys ever were in this channel when I described about that. I was dealing with interstitial lung disease. I've been trying to, deal with a lot of that and what kind of treatment I should do. And whatever I do, to go to the hospital and try to figure out what's going on, it always seems to feel like it's the same. When I go there, they always tell me, oh, your lungs is this and this and this and whatever and like that. Because they took like an x-ray, like a CAT scan on my area. And it shows like the definition of like, what's a healthy lung and what's a unhealthy lung. So I'm basically getting a lot of like scratches in my lungs. So I'm kind of like coughing a lot, breathing weird. Whatever that I do, it kind of affects me and my health and everything. So like whatever medications I took, it didn't seem to help me the best. So lost hope about it. And like whatever medications I took, it wasn't the best for me. So my cousin mentioned about this product, and I've been taking it since last year of late October. And ever since I've been to the doctor and they checked up on me and everything, my lungs seems to clear up a little bit, slowly but surely. And a lot of people that I've known that try this product, they said that a lot of things that they dealt with in their health and everything, it cleared up everything. And this product is very natural, it's very clean. And I advise you to like probably take one box if you were trying it to see if it works out for you. The person that I take care of, like there's a nurse that came by, and then she was like dealing with a lot of health issues as well, like coughing, a cold a lot and all that. So I did recommend this to her, and she tried it for like a month or two, and all of a sudden like her sinuses and stuff like that for like maybe a week, it kind of like just dissolved and everything. But obviously you have to drink a lot of water and you have to take care of yourself as well. And the best thing about this product is it also helps you lose a lot of weight.
The natural way. It's organic, so it says amazing, pure organic. And it's powder. It tastes kind of weird at first, but then once you get the hang of it, it doesn't really matter.
The directions in the back is like empty. I'll show you guys how it looks like. It looks like this. I'll show you the ingredients in the back. And the directions is empty this, and then you put in like hot or cold water and dissolve. You can add anything if you want, like sweetener as desired. And then drink one sach 30 minutes before each meal daily for best results. Whenever I drink this, I usually drink first as like a water bottle, like a 1 gallon of water. And then after that, I take the drink, this one. And then I wait for like 30 minutes because you can't eat while you drink this. So you have to wait for a while. So once you do that, that's it. And then when it hits the 30-minute mark, you can eat and everything like that. You can drink it with hot or cold. I personally like it like a little bit like 10 seconds, a little bit warm into it. So it has like that nice feeling. But the only thing that I like about it is just like, it helps me clear up everything that I've dealt with inside. So it's like a big difference. I'm not getting sponsored or anything because, usually like my mom and my cousin does this stuff. And I really wanted to help out people that are dealing with anything that's in their system. This can really help you out if you really want to make a difference for yourself. I suggest to drink this more than just one box because it shows the best results if you keep doing it. Because at one box it shows good results at first, but not the best results, because you have to continuously take it until you hit like the 100% mark of yourself, like 85% or 65%. You want to feel like 100. That's why I do recommend this product to anyone who's, feeling like my situation or any types, really. So if you're really into this, I'll put my email down below, and if you want more info about it, so that, you can be in that healthy journey with me. And this is all natural, it's all organic and everything like that. So I do recommend this. And for one box, it's like $25. It's a bit expensive, but for $25, it does help you a lot, like in your system, rather than taking a lot of medications and stuff like that. My doctor tell me like I don't need to take this type of medication, and they see like a lot of differences in my lungs. I have like a lot of scratches and everything. It's like basically what I'm dealing with in the inside. If you guys don't know what incisional lung disease, you guys can, I'll put like in the description of like the info what I'm dealing with if you guys are into that. Like I share you guys my information about myself because you guys were really close to me and everything. I look like a fetus, but it's okay. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with everybody because I know that, you know, you guys are dealing with so many things in life, maybe health and stuff like that. Or you can just drink this if you want to lose weight as well. It's also combined with everything. Gives you a lot of energy in the morning when you drink this, and it feels really great. It's made from Australia because I have family that are there that made this company and everything, so it's really cool. Like family friends of mine, it's great that, you know, people made this, and then I think that, you know, share something that's not gonna help you. So that's like my main thing for everyone, like especially if I'm sharing something for my viewers. I want something that will work for you guys, not something that will not work. Because leave a comment below if you guys, you know, are interested about it, and email me if you want to, you know more info about it or whatever and so on. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you. Bye, guys.
No me sé ni su nombre, pero la quiero. Paso y dejo su fragancia.